Hi, I'm Michael Theo and I'm here today to show you 10 Balladonia Street, Mount Cotton, a near new, ultra-functional family home positioned in an attractive and convenient location of the woods estate of Mount Cotton. Immaculately presented and spacious throughout, this home was designed and built with lifestyle in mind. It's perfect for the family that likes to entertain. The large open plan layout, incorporating the kitchen, living and dining areas, flows effortlessly out to the spacious and private outdoor entertainment area overlooking the large expanse of lush lawn and attractive yet low maintenance gardens. The master suite with large walk-in robe and ensuite is purposefully positioned to create a comfortable level of privacy and separation from the living areas, along with two other generous sized bedrooms, each with built-in robes and ceiling fans, along with the main bathroom and separate toilet. The living area and fourth bedroom are ideally positioned at the front of the home, perfect for the family member looking for their own space. With the added bonus of side access, solar hot water, quality window coverings, fittings and appliances, 1 minute from the local shops and parks, and only 10 minutes to the M1 motorway, homes like this are in hot demand. Be quick and don't miss your opportunity to make this feature-packed property your home today.